There's a guard on every string trimmer, strimmer, weed whacker, whatever you want. And it's there to protect you from, number one, from getting hit with the string, also from getting hit with rocks or pieces of stick or the grass. Keeps you cleaner, prevents debris from getting thrown on at your car or the house, windows, things like that. But you can also use it, as I'll show you, to protect your plants while you're cutting. So you can actually cut with the string trimmer right up to the base of a protective ornamental that you have, whether it's a flower, a tree, shrub, or even if you want to cut up to something that's metal and you don't want the string to be hitting the metal and getting worn down or break something heavy. Anyway, I'll just show you a couple of quick examples that help improve your usage of the string trimmer. This first example that I show is just trimming around a small tree on the base of the tree. You watch that I'll put the guard right up against the bark of the tree, right at the base of the tree, and I can trim right up to it, removing all the grass, and weeds, shrubs that are there without harming the tree whatsoever. This same process can be used whether you're trimming around a small orchid, a piece of furniture, flower pot, anything. This is just another angle from the same process. You can see me going around, and it just takes a few seconds to trim around any individual shrub, tree, plant, anything delicate that you want to protect. And it does a fairly good job, as you can see, to whippersnip without damaging the plant or whatever you want to protect. The second example is around a survey stake that I have. You can see that the weeds that are growing around it are quite high, and there's no concern about damaging that survey stake. It's steel bar, like a rebar, but at the same time, that steel would start to wear down on the string quite a bit if you had a lot of that, and could break it off. Just by putting the guard against the survey stake, against the steel, you're able to move all the weeds and get down, same with grass, quite easily. I'm being a little more careful than I normally would just for the demonstration, but it literally only takes a couple of seconds and saves a lot of time. It's a lot better than the time it would take to have to rewind the string. Again, one more angle of the same demonstration. So that's a simple video. In summary, if you want a plant you want to protect, a tree, shrub, piece of furniture, just take the whippersnipper, slide it down, the guard down around the back, and you can cut it without even making a mark or a scratch or a mar to the plant, furniture, whatever it is you want to cut. Or it could be like I showed with the survey stake. You want to protect the string. If you just went up to it, you could cut it no problem. It's not going to hurt the stake, the survey pin or fence post or whatever, but your string is going to get mangled pretty bad pretty quick. So just a simple thing. Hope you like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like these types of videos, and I'll talk to you on the next one. This is Don. Till then.